beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rock.
Hey girls, it's ARMANIB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my lavender rice water recipe. I'm just going to jump right into this video. The first thing is the list of items you're going to need. 1 bowl, 1 cup of white rice, bottled purified water, a plastic spoon, lavender buds, plastic wrap, lavender essential oil, and a spray bottle. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour 1 cup of the rice into the bowl. I'm using a measuring cup, but honestly you don't really have to use one. I just use 1 cup of rice for every cup of water. And the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and rinse my rice. I don't know about you guys, but before I do anything with rice, I always clean it of its dirt and impurities before I eat it, before I put it in my hair, anything. The rice must be cleaned. Next, I'm going to add in the bottled purified water. Like I said, you don't have to do any exact measurements, I don't think. I always do it this way. I just pour in however much I need, but usually I used 1 cup of water for every cup of rice. Next, I'm going to add in some lavender buds to the rice water. The main thing everyone has been talking about with rice water is how bad it can smell when you let it ferment for a few days. But with this easy recipe, your rice water is going to smell amazing. I'm not doing any exact measurements for the lavender buds as well. I'm just pouring in however much I feel like I need, and I'm going to use my plastic spoon to stir the mixture. Quick side note, these lavender buds are actually culinary lavender buds, so they are edible. I actually use them in my baked goods such as cookies and brownies. I also put them in my iced coffee. They give your food an amazing aroma. So if you're one of those people who don't like to throw out their rice after you let it sit overnight, you can actually eat this rice. It is edible. Next, I'm going to cover the rice water with plastic wrap and let the mixture sit for up to 1 to 5 days. The longer you let the rice water sit and ferment, the more potent the mixture will be. I'm just gonna let mine sit for 24 hours. It's all up to your personal preference. So it's the next day. I'm going to strain my rice water and transfer the mixture into a spray bottle.
I waited for you, I waited for you, I waited for you.
After transferring the rice water into the spray bottle, I'm going to add 3 drops of lavender essential oil. So that's it for my rice water recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any new video suggestions, just leave them down below in the comment section.